My name is Jordan Forster. I work with Ridgeline Roofing and Restoration, here to do a repair test at Miss Sandra Lacey's house, claim number 884074-GQ. We're going to attempt to unseal this shingle. Trying to be gentle, but the shingle's very brittle. All right, let's rip that. These are all unsealed. It's already failing because it doesn't want to come up right there. Broke that shingle. If you want to come down here and show them real quick, we damaged almost every one of these shingles. Just by unsealing them, we've damaged almost every one of these as far as just unsealing them goes. You can see here, there's tons of mat transfer here. All along all these shingles, see there's part of the shingle still stuck to it. So I damaged every shingle coming into here. With this roof being as old as it is, if I were to pull this shingle out and add a new one, the new one's never going to seal back down properly, therefore cause more problems in the future. Take out these nails. What do you think of that? In my opinion, that failed.